Today we will discuss about MHD principle. MHD means magneto-hydrodynamic generator. What is magneto-hydrodynamic generator? Magneto means magnetic field and hydro means fluid, working fluid. By the combination of these two, a MHD system will work. Firstly, we will discuss about the basic principle of the MHD. We have a MHD chamber on which two poles are magnetic, north and south, and two sides are cathode and anode, means positive and negative. When these north and south pole give magnetic field and these cathode and anode attract respective ions towards itself. When a plasma or a ionized gas will pass through this chamber, then an electric current will generate in this working fluid. Here this gas is used as a electrical conductor. Electric current will generate in the gas and the ions will go towards the respective electrode and DC power supply will be generated by this manner, which will be further converted into AC power supply. MHD has two systems, open and closed system. We will discuss open MHD system. It has coal processor which will process coal and a combustor in which combustion will take place, a expansion nozzle for expanding of gas. It is connected to MHD system. MHD system is connected to inverter for converting DC power supply to AC power supply, a air preheater, seed recovery, purifier for nitrogen and sulfur, and a stack or a chimney. A compressor is worked for air compression, and these all are connected through pipes. Now we see the working of the open MHD system. Air preheater is connected to the compressor for supplying preheat air to the compressor for increasing the efficiency of MHD system. Now we see the working of open MHD system. Working fluid is air in open MHD system. Coal will come from the coal processing, and after burning of coal, combustor will produce hot gases and compressor will supply air to the combustor. Here in the combustion chamber, air will be heat about 5000 degree to 6000 degree Celsius and converted into plasma or ionized gas. Then this plasma or ionized gas will supply to the MHD and respective ions will go towards the respective electrodes. By this process, electric current generation will take place and inverter will convert this conversion into AC power. DC power will be converted into AC power by the help of inverter. Now the extract gases will go to the air preheater, seed recovery, purifier, and then to the chimney. Air preheater will preheat the air. Seed recovery means when we give a extra additive to the gas for increasing the electrical conductivity of the gas, then this additive will be recovered by this seed recovery box. Then after this purifier, in the gas some polluting agent is like nitrogen and sulfur are present, which will be removed by the purifier, and then the gas is sent to the atmosphere by the help of chimney. So this is the open MHD system in which working fluid is used air. Now we discuss about closed MHD system. In closed MHD system, a coal processor combustor is attached with a heat exchanger. Expansion nozzle, MHD system, inverter, air preheater, seed recovery and purifier. These are the open MHD system things. Now the other thing is these are connected with exhaust gases are connected with further with heat exchanger, turbine and generator. Now we see the process of closed MHD system. Working fluid in the closed MHD system is argon or helium gas. Now what will happen? Coal processor will process the coal and send to the combustor. Their combustor will exchange the heat energy with the heat exchanger and argon will converted into vapor. And this argon gas or helium gas will send to the MHD system and the respected ion will go towards the respected electrode, which will send to the inverter a DC power supply, which is converted to AC power supply. Now further the process is same as open MHD system, but after this extraction of heat is also used for this heat exchanger for generating steam, and after this turbine will rotate by this steam and generator will create energy. This is another cycle of closed MHD system. Now in this process argon will supply again and again because this is closed MHD system. So argon gas is used again and again by the help of this closed cycle, and electricity will be generated by this repeating cycle. So this is the process of closed MHD system. Thank you for seeing this video. For more updated videos, you can subscribe me on my channel Learn and Grow. Thank you.